next up I have here is Las Vegas Sands, LVS. If you follow any of my videos, you know that I've done this one a couple of times over the past probably just a week and a half. Looks like it's setting up on another hammer candle. It is red at the top of a range, significant volume spike here. This could be what you would want to refer to as a hanging man setup, which is initially a reversal candle, but not all patterns act as though they should. Basically what happens is there's a gap up met by some sellers almost immediately, push down. Bulls tried to push it back up, couldn't quite make it, and they tried again and put in basically a double top, almost a triple top up here around 59.60. Now my thinking behind this is this point right here actually took out this resistance right here, so this high is not as strong as one could assume. So with that in mind, a couple levels I'm going to be watching here is going to be this 59. I'll just do 59.60 just to make it nice and even. As you can see, this one put in a lower high. Now we're at a higher high from this reference point here. In addition to that, price has also trended up pretty much all day. Didn't put in a lower low at any point during the day, so as long as this trend stays intact, should be able to remain fairly bullish on this move here. And now what I'll be looking for is a move over here. Call it 59.62, and if that does trigger in my stop, I would like to use this VWAP here. It is kind of far away looking at the closing price action of this day, but as price action does come up, it'll pull these moving averages and the VWAP up with it. So with that in mind, if it does trigger me in on a break above here, my stop will actually be higher, which will allow me for a larger size. Now my target is gonna have to be, let's see if I can find some point of reference here from some older price action, which I really don't see much of anything to go off of. And I'd hate to put it at 60 because that's a horrible risk reward setup right there, so this one is definitely not going to be one of my priorities to watch tomorrow. But I guess I'm going to go ahead and put my target right there under the assumption that if price does start moving up, these will move up with it, bringing my stop up along with it. Now if it does roll over and break below this trend, I won't even look at it, and I'll actually turn around and look at this as a resistance and this as a possible resistance for a bearish trade.